Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now. Confirm your Lenovo is online and plugged in, then open its browser. If no browser works, use Microsoft Store to download Chrome. Sign into your Microsoft account when asked. Once done, navigate to the browser's address bar and type Google. Com to confirm access. Make sure to set default language and privacy settings quickly so you can proceed. This gets you to Google immediately and prepares the laptop for installing any additional Google apps or shortcuts you'll need next. Now install Google Chrome. In your browser, search for Chrome and choose the official download link. Download the installer file. Run it, accept permissions, and let the setup complete while it may update extensions and components. After installation, open Chrome and sign into your Google account to sync bookmarks, passwords, and history. This is why you install Chrome: seamless access to Google services. Make sure to set Chrome as your default browser so typing Google com always goes through Chrome in the future. Finish by creating shortcuts. Open Google com in Chrome, click the menu, choose More Tools, then create shortcut and pin Chrome to your taskbar for one-click access. If Google won't load, check that cookies are enabled and that the Windows firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the browser. Disable extensions one by one to find conflicts. If problems persist, clear cache and cookies or reinstall Chrome. These steps remove corrupted files and usually fix stubborn loading errors so you can use Google reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.